I'm gonna make a flat side on my wheels and see how it affects the grinds. So now I got a completely flat wheel and I'll just do 4 more. So here it is on the trucks and let's see how they work. And they feel kind of good, like locking into crooks, even though like they're completely flat. And I also been interested in knowing like how nose slides and stuff would feel if you move your base plate, so you get a bigger nose area, so a bigger sliding area for your nose slides. So here I'm just making new holes for the truck. I use a base plate with 6 holes, so I can align the truck and drill new holes. And it fits perfect.
Fascinating.
I moved my truck.
Do you think it's
back,
gonna work?
so I have a bigger nose.
Do you think it's gonna work?
I think so.
This
is the first try. Look at this. Okay, I can clearly feel that the nose is affecting the pop somehow from the ledge. I don't know if it's maybe I need time to adjust, or if it's just completely different. It feels like you get less pop, Elias.
Yeah.
Here, like soft, but if you move it out, sharper.
It feels like you're gonna break the board a lot easier when you have the 2 loose bolts or holes there.
Okay, now I will do this.
First try.
The pop felt sloppy, but it worked. No slide to crooks, first try.
First try.
Just trying some tricks I usually do at the park to get a feeling of both the wheels and the truck. So something feels like very off on the setup. I decided to change the wheels to the other side. Okay, so before I had this sharp side, and now I had this smooth side. And in crooks, it slides so much nicer with the smooth side. You should have known that. All the time.
Yeah.
Look at those wheels. Like here we got the complete flat side. I made this at home with my drill and a knife. And here we have the smooth side. So it was fun for experimenting to see what like a smooth side can do to slides and grind. And also like with moving the truck back to get, I don't know how much it is, some centimeters more of the nose, you get a bigger sliding area, which was easy for like nose slide to
Which
crooks.
is like 1 centimeter.
And ordinary nose slides, but for for flipping out, it felt like the nose got like softer, so you didn't get like the hard pop out. It wasn't like, it was more like oink, boop. So you need, I guess it's because this is a flat area, but if it would have been smooth all the way, you would get the same pop. From nose slide to backside nose grind all the way. Some bonus thing I learned from this was like when you have a flat side against a ledge like that, and you want to like pop out this way, this wheel with the flat side gets a lot of friction at that point, and that like stops the motion. But if you have a wheel like this instead and you pop out this way, this area here helps to get out smoother, so you don't get as much friction on one single place. Like, so if you do like a flip out, it gets easier